Sending mass text messages through GoHighLevel is an efficient way to reach multiple contacts at once, whether for promotions, reminders, or updates. Here's how to do it. Log into GoHighLevel. Access your GoHighLevel account and navigate to the Conversations section in the left-hand menu. Create a new campaign. Go to Campaigns under the Marketing tab and click on Create Campaign. Select SMS. Choose SMS as the campaign type to send mass text messages. Add recipients. You can select contacts manually or use filters to segment your audience. Alternatively, import a list of contacts through a CSV file. Once the contacts are selected, they will be added to your campaign. Compose your message. Write the content of your text message. GoHighLevel allows you to personalize messages using variables like first name, company name, etc. Ensure the message is concise and clear, as SMS messages have character limits. Schedule or send a campaign. After composing your message, you can either send now or schedule the text for a later date and time. Track results. Once sent, GoHighLevel provides analytics on open rates, responses, and engagement.